This has become a trend for no reason, so here's how to do it from your phone. Go to your gallery and find a photo you want to use. Then swipe down on your phone and tap on this icon right here to start recording your screen. Then go back to your photo, tap and hold down briefly on the subject, and the effect is going to apply automatically. Then just let it record for 5 to 10 seconds, swipe down again on your phone, and end your recording. Then go back to your gallery, find the screen recording, tap on edit, then tap and hold down on the edge of the video and drag it right to the beginning of the effect. Then tap and hold down on the opposite end of the video, drag and trim out anything unwanted. Then tap on done and tap on save video.